She's a wee bit gone. I think she's failed. She will make a lot of smoke. Oil running out of the intercooler. Exhaust pipe as usual. You know, the usual stuff. Now I'll go show you that pipe again. I poured most of it out yesterday, but might be a little left. Yeah, she's got problems.